In 2021, Beeple changed digital art forever, selling every day's the first 5,000 days for a record-breaking $69 million and putting NFTs into the global spotlight. Now, in 2025, he returns with something a little different. Something alive. Isn't just an exhibit. It's a living system, and it now belongs to The Shed, one of New York's most forward-thinking cultural institutions.
Right now we're at The Shed in Hudson Yards in New York City for Beeple's event, the unveiling of Diffuse Control. That will be an installation here at The Shed throughout the summer. The vibe, to me, very classy. We got some hors d'oeuvres, we got a nice bar, but with that Web3 spin. So it looks like everybody's got a creative look to them, everybody's having a good time. And you know, we're here with the king himself, Beeple, and this piece is just something you've never seen before, right? The dude's creating meta on the fly. Like, this piece is just incredible.
Built using custom hardware and generative software, Diffuse Control evolves in real time. No two moments are the same. And now that The Shed has acquired the piece, it's been cemented as part of New York's living art history.
Basically, the way it works is we built a system to allow curators to generate these sort of like AI images by selecting 6 images themselves, and that forms an iteration, and it will continue to grow and sort of have more iterations over time.
And the final piece of the puzzle is the consumer. There's an app that you can control different levels to influence this piece, and then at the end of the day, you can capture the piece and have it printed out and have your own art piece that you helped define.
From NFTs to generative installations, Beeple continues to redefine what digital culture can be. And this time, it's left its mark in New York.